Is there a planet near Earth that could harbor civilization? Could there be another planet out there, not so different from Earth, where life, maybe even a civilization, could exist? The answer, surprisingly, may lie just 4.2 light-years away, in the closest star system to our own. It's called Proxima Centauri, and it hosts an intriguing world, Proxima B. This distant exoplanet has captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike. But recent discoveries about Proxima B are raising new, unexpected questions about its true potential for life. Let's take a closer look at this mysterious world and explore why it might be more Earth-like than we ever imagined, or why it might not be. Proxima B, an Earth-like world. At first glance, Proxima B might seem like a dream come true for scientists searching for a second Earth. This rocky planet is roughly the same size as our own, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star. This Goldilocks zone is a region where conditions might allow liquid water to exist on the planet's surface, a critical ingredient for life as we know it. But before we get too excited, let's take a deeper dive. While Proxima B has some tantalizing similarities to Earth, it also has a very different star, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf that's much smaller, cooler, and far less luminous than our Sun. This creates an environment that could be both fascinating and challenging for life. The challenges of Proxima B's star, red dwarfs and their risks now, here's where things get tricky. Red dwarf stars, like Proxima Centauri, are not your typical Sun-like stars. They are actually the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy. These stars burn slowly and steadily, living for billions of years, which theoretically makes planets in their habitable zones prime candidates for long-term stability. But there's a downside. Red dwarfs are also far more active than our Sun. Proxima Centauri, for instance, frequently releases powerful solar flares and intense radiation bursts. These violent eruptions could have a devastating impact on any nearby planets, stripping away their atmospheres and bombarding them with harmful radiation. While our Sun experiences solar flares, they are nowhere near as frequent or intense as those from red dwarfs. So, while Proxima B might be in the right position to potentially support life, the intense radiation from its host star raises serious doubts about whether life could survive there for long periods. It's a cosmic gamble, one that challenges our assumptions about the limits of habitability. Tidal locking, the eternal day-night divide. Another major challenge Proxima B faces is tidal locking. This phenomenon occurs when the planet's rotation is synchronized with its orbit, meaning one side of the planet always faces its star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. This creates a stark divide between the two hemispheres. One side could be scorched by constant sunlight, while the other could be frozen in eternal night. The temperature differences between the two sides would be extreme, potentially making it incredibly difficult for life to survive. However, there is a glimmer of hope. Between the two hemispheres exists a twilight zone, a narrow strip on the planet's surface where conditions could be more temperate and stable. This twilight zone might have the right conditions to support liquid water, providing a potential habitat for life. But this region is narrow, and whether or not life could thrive there remains an open question. Could life endure in such an extreme environment? So, could life exist on Proxima B despite these challenges? It's possible, but it would likely be very different from life on Earth. The planet's extreme conditions, tidal locking, radiation exposure, and temperature swings, would require any potential life to adapt in extraordinary ways. Life here, if it exists, might have developed unique biochemical processes or evolved to survive in harsh, extreme environments. But there's more to the story than just the planet's environmental challenges. As we peer deeper into Proxima B's mysteries, scientists have uncovered something truly strange and unexpected. The mystery of Proxima B's light emissions, could they be signals? Recently, astronomers have detected unusual light emissions from Proxima B, and these emissions have baffled scientists. At first, this could be chalked up to natural phenomena, volcanic activity, atmospheric distortions, or perhaps even auroras from Proxima Centauri's intense radiation. But some scientists have raised the intriguing possibility that these emissions could be something far more extraordinary. Could these light patterns be evidence of alien technology? Could they be signals from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization trying to communicate across the vast distance of space? Or might they be the result of an unknown natural process, still beyond our understanding? This question is enough to ignite the imagination of anyone interested in the search for intelligent life beyond Earth. If these emissions are artificial, they could represent the first detectable signals from another civilization, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of life in the universe. Advanced telescopes and the search for life studying Proxima B from Earth is no easy task. The planet's incredible distance, 4.2 light-years, presents a significant obstacle for astronomers. Even the most powerful telescopes struggle to gather enough light from such a distant object, and the constant radiation from Proxima Centauri makes it harder to discern the planet's true characteristics. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. This state-of-the-art observatory, launched in 2021, has the ability to look deeper into the universe than ever before. It is equipped with advanced infrared sensors that allow it to study distant exoplanets like Proxima B in unprecedented detail. By analyzing the light from Proxima B, JWST can help us learn more about the planet's atmosphere and surface conditions, potentially revealing key clues about its habitability, or its lack thereof. But even JWST is not enough to fully unravel the mysteries of Proxima B. To study its atmosphere in greater detail, astronomers will need even more powerful instruments. One such tool is the upcoming Harmony spectrometer, set to be deployed on the extremely large telescope. This instrument will provide an even more refined ability to detect and analyze the chemical signatures of distant planets, including Proxima B. The Twilight Zone, a narrow hope for life. Despite the many obstacles, Proxima B remains one of the most exciting targets for future exploration. The possibility that liquid water could exist in the narrow twilight zone between the planet's day and night sides gives scientists hope that, despite the extreme conditions, life could survive, or might have once existed. The strange light emissions detected from the planet only add to the intrigue. Whether they are the result of natural phenomena or something more extraordinary, they have fueled speculation about the possibility of intelligent alien civilizations. As technology advances, we may soon have the tools to study Proxima B with greater precision. What will we find? Could the strange emissions be proof of extraterrestrial intelligence, or are they merely a natural anomaly? The answers to these questions could change everything we know about life in the universe. The quest for answers, what's next? The quest to uncover the secrets of Proxima B will undoubtedly be one of the defining challenges of modern space exploration. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding whether this distant world could harbor life, or even intelligent civilizations. As we continue to refine our telescopes and analytical techniques, the potential for groundbreaking revelations is within our reach. Could Proxima B be the home of an alien civilization? Could it be the first place where we make contact with intelligent life beyond Earth? As we study this enigmatic planet, these questions loom larger and larger. The next few years will be crucial in our search for answers. In the end, Proxima B is more than just another planet, it's a window into the larger question of whether we are truly alone in the cosmos. The mysteries surrounding it challenge our understanding of what makes a planet habitable, what defines life,